For the exploration, at least you need 2 parties involved. You need the exploration or geology brigade or unit there. And they're the technical team. They review the geology, prepare the detailed exploration program. So here I just give you three brigades, which they are really good in doing the exploration in China. They are East China Exploration Company, North China Exploration Company, Henan Exploration Company there as well. You got the geological brigade there. They are a technical team. They do the design, they do the logging, and they send the sample to the laboratory for assaying. Then you need a party to do the real work, the drilling company. They're going to drill the hole for you. In China, we got many drilling companies there available, but these two, they are good. If you really want to do business in China, you probably can talk to them first to get a feel of it. Once the geological team work together with the drilling and they finish the exploration, they should have the exploration report. In the exploration report, they should have the resource there. So once you got the indicated resource, then you can pass your reports to the Mine Design Institute, where they're going to do the preliminary feasibility or feasibility study to have a detailed mine design to evaluate whether the project is viable or not. In China, we have many design institutes, and these big 4 are really good. The first is BIGRIM, is the Beijing General Research Institute of Mining and Metallurgy, based in Beijing. ENFE is ENFE Engineering. They are one of the largest mine design institutes in China, based in Beijing as well. NARIN is based in Nanchang, south of China, and SINF is based in Changsha, south of China as well. They all have international experience. They all done very good work there in doing the pre-feasibility and the feasibility studies for the mine operations.
When you look at China's demand for metals, I suppose what we need to look at, not necessarily, is what the price is today, what the demand is today, because it takes a long time to actually build these mines. What is the average time that it takes to build a mine in China? And therefore, how far out do we actually need to look to see whether a mine is going to be sustainable or not?
Mining actually is really commitment. It's a really long time. It's not overnight. It cannot be done overnight. And the average speaking for a mining project, from exploration to construction to mine design and to production, the cycle are roughly between 8 to 10 years. So, for example, you start the exploration, you finish the preliminary one, you got the inferred resource, then you move on to the next stage, you upgrade inferred to the indicated and measured, and I guess this whole will take at least 5 years. So the first 5 years, simply geology. So once, I guess, you have the measured and the indicated resource there, you have to use the Design Institute to work on the pre-feasibility study, and that will take a year to finish. So you finish the pre-feasibility study, then you evaluate the viability of the mines, and from that point onwards, you probably start to construction. The construction probably will take another 18 to 24 months to 2 years at average. Then, so I think the 8 to 10 years is a fairly common time required for mine to be operating.